What is up, guys? I'm back again with another video. So I finally broke down and decided to pay $320 for the keyboard. This is the most expensive keyboard I've ever bought, but I did get it with a $30 discount, I believe, with Apple Education Store. So if you are planning on buying one, go through the Apple Education Store, and I think it knocks off like 30 or 40 bucks from it, which isn't too bad, but it's still $350 almost for a keyboard, and for many that might not be worth it. So today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and installing, and I'm going to be doing a different video as like a typing test and like how I feel using it probably a couple days later, so I actually have like some time with it and not just giving you guys unfair review. So as always, this thing is pretty heavy. I didn't expect it to be as heavy as it is. I had already seen reviews that said that it almost adds double the weight to the iPad, so that's kind of crazy. But the packaging is, as always, Apple-like. So you basically pull it out here, nice clean pull, and all the wrapping is gone. Let's pull it out from here. And if you guys have a 2018 iPad, this also works with that as well. So do not worry if you don't want to spend another $1,000 on a 2020 iPad. You can simply just use this keyboard on your 2018. But since I have the new iPad, so I decided to give it a try. And let me put my iPad to the side so you guys can see the way this works. So here's my iPad with a screen protector, of course. Let me zoom out. There we go. And let's unbox this. So this is like a simply lift up case. Let's unlift this box up. And I did pick this up from my local Apple store, as I did not want to get it shipped and wait a long time. And wow, this thing is really heavy. It probably weighs like slightly more than the iPad, actually. I'm pretty sure it weighs a little bit more. I'm not really sure on all the details and stuff like that. I'll be doing that in my other main review. So you basically just come with this protecting thing, put that to the side, and put this box over here to the side. And wow, look at this thing right here. It comes with like the guide and stuff. Let me open up the guide first, as always, and then this little fake mock-up of what the iPad should look like, or the size of the iPad on the keyboard. Toss that to the side. Let's see what it says on this designed by Apple information packet, which we all know is always included in all Apple products. So we got the Magic Keyboard. It's giving you the instructions on how to install it. It's basically connected through magnets. You simply just place your iPad on the screen, on the case, and it will automatically adjust to it. And you have 3 different viewing modes, or several different viewing modes, with your lightning connector that can be used just to charge, and you cannot pass information or anything like that through there. This is simply a charging one, but it does free up your iPad to enable it to add more accessories to it. And as you guys can see, it says only charging. Let's put that over there. Let's see what else it comes with. Your just more legal stuff, more little pamphlets, and that's basically it. So very minimal instructions, and this is it. So let me just put this up closer so you guys can hear this. And I'm gonna do like a little typing. Okay, so that sounds really good. For comparison, I do have a MacBook Pro right here, so let me share you guys that one. And that MacBook Pro isn't the new kind with the butterfly with the scissor switch. It is the old kind with the butterfly keys. So many people have complained about this type of keys and compared it to like not good quality. So let me do a little typing test. So very low travel, little to no travel. very thin. It is not raised at all. And then we have this Magic Keyboard with way more travel. And you can definitely see a slight raised, not too much, but it is more scissor-like than butterfly, and actually gives you a nice satisfying click. You look at how I'm clicking the S, it actually goes in instead of the S over here where it barely feels like you're clicking into it. Like, it's basically just pressed in there. More like the the newer Smart Folio keyboard cases, probably like that type of feeling. So as for the connecting, we have the camera right there, and on this thing we have the camera layout as well right here. Let me zoom out some more so you guys can see. There we go. We have the connector right there, the camera cutout, and we have this 3 smart connectors right there, which we're basically just gonna, I don't know how deep I can actually press it like that. So let's put this bad boy there. Oh, and I don't know if you guys heard that, but it basically clicked into place. So let's see if it'll register my iPad. Oh, and it has, so that's really neat. How do we... So it's upside down right now. Let me try to fix that up. Or not. Alright, why is it going backwards? Let me try to... Okay, there we go. It finally has registered it this way. So let me go to Safari real quick. Let me go to this Google. So we're on Google right now. So let's go to Google, and I'll do a quick little typing test right here on the Google search bar. So I'm gonna say hello. So it does have a satisfying click to it, and I would say I like this keyboard more than the MacBook Pro 2016 edition. So now let me try the trackpad. Oh yeah, I forgot it has a trackpad. So look at that trackpad. I don't know if you guys see it. Let me zoom in like that. It is nice. This is just like a little first impressions video. I'm going to be doing a full review later on after I've actually had some time to use it. I don't want to give you guys my premature ideas and whether it's worth it or not just right now after using it for 2 minutes. But my first impressions are that it is a really good keyboard. I don't know if it's $350 worth, but I did buy it, so I'm probably going to be biased towards this. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see with this particular keyboard, a typing test or something like that. But see you guys in the next one. Peace.